learners to Form 2 Mathematics. I would like us to look at this problem. Sorry, it is Form 1 Mathematics. I would like us to look at this problem to do with the linear equations. Okay, we are told that Peter is 2 1/4 times as old as his son. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 8:3. What will be their ages 6 years from now? 6 years from now. So learn, what you do is that you make 3 columns. You make 3 columns like that. Here you write at the middle, you write today or their present ages. Here you write past or ago. You can fix it there direct. And here you talk about the future. 3 columns like that. So what are we told? After making those 3 columns, you go back to your question. Peter is 2 1/4 times as old as his son. So you come here, you write son, and here Peter. So we are talking about today. Look at the tense here is Peter is 2 1/4 times, and therefore we are talking about this column here, learn. So you say if Peter is X years, the father will be 2 1/4 of X. We are through with the first sentence. We go to the second. 5 years ago, look at this learner, 5 years ago, so we go to this column of past or ago. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 8:3. So 5 years ago, learner, what will be the age of the son? What will be what was the age? In other words, what was the age of Peter? So if today the son is X, 5 years ago, you subtract the 5. If today Peter is 2 1/4 X years old, 5 years ago he was 2 1/4 X minus 5. From there, we go to the next sentence. What will be their ages 6 years from now? So we are talking about the future here, 6 years from today. So we go to the future. So what will be their ages 6 years from now? So if the son is X years, in future, 6 years to come, he will be X plus 6. We just add 6. The same case to the father, learn like that. So you have filled all the columns. From there, we go back to the second sentence now. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 8:3. 5 years ago, we are here, the ratio of their ages was 8:3. So in other words, we are saying this, learner, 5 years ago, you write the father's age, there it is 2. And the son's age is equals to 8:3, like that. So from there, we know that these ratios can be written as fractions. So we talk of 2 1/4 X minus 5 divided by X minus 5, learner, is equals to 8/3. Look at that. Then cross multiply. Cross multiply, so you come and write 3 in brackets. This is 2 1/4 X minus 5 is equals to 8 multiplying what? X minus 5. So this is 3 in brackets. Convert this to improper. It gives you 9/4X minus 5, learner, is equals to 8 in brackets X minus 5. Remove the brackets now. This minus this, learner, will give you what? Sorry, not minus, this times this will give you 27/4X minus 15. Then you remove the brackets on the other side, you get 8x minus 40. From there, Lana, put the like terms together. Bring this one on this side, the x is on this side, and then you take this to the other side. So bring this. So 27 over 4x. Bringing this on this side, it becomes negative x is equals to negative 40 plus, taking this to this side, plus 15. So you work out this, Lana, you subtract these, it should give you negative 5 over 4x is equals to what? Minus 40 plus 15 gives you negative 25. From there, Lana, you have negative on this side and on this other side. Cancel them out. Or in other words, multiplying by a minus here, it will give you plus. Multiplying here with that side, it will give you plus. And therefore, we are talking of what? Cross multiply now. Cross multiply, it will give you 5x is equals to 100. And therefore, Lana, your x is what? Divide by 5 there, divide by 5, your x is 20 years. X refers to 20 years. What does this mean, Lana? That the son's age today is 20 years. 20 years. Okay, from there, what are we asked? We are asked what will be their ages 6 years from now. So we just come here and substitute 20 where you have x. So what is the son's age? Son's age is x plus 6 in this column, and therefore this gives us, fix your 20 there, 20 plus 6, which gives us 26 years. So in 6 years time, the son will be 26 years. Then what about the father, Peter? Peter is the expression for his age is 2 1/4 x plus 6. And therefore you come and say this is equals to, this is 9 over 4. You substitute your what? Your 20. And then plus 6. You work out this by 4, 1 by 4, 5. So you get 45 plus 6, which gives you 51 years. 51 years. So in 6 years time, Lana, the son will be 26 and the father will be 21. Go and practice on linear equations, Form 1 work. I've done several questions to do with linear equations. Go through this one as well as the others. God bless you as you practice linear equations.